Okay, this is a transformation question. We are taking, what we're doing, S onto shape T. So this is where we start. And this is where we finish. Please don't get them the wrong way around. It says it in the question, use it. We need to describe it fully. It's 2 marks. And with this transformation, we need to make sure we've got all the information. What are we doing? We are translating. Write it. We're not turning it. This is not a reflection. This is just taking this shape and we are moving it. We do translation. We need a vector. Vector means movement. This will be an X and this will be Y. X comes first, Y. So in the X direction, I'm going to take 1 point. I'm going to take this point. And I'm going to count how many steps. I'll do it in pencil. How many steps does this move until it gets to its new point up here? Looking at the corresponding points. How many does it move? 1 in the X direction, which is this way, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the X coordinate is 5, but it's moving backwards. I'm going down the numbers, so it's actually -5. And then I'm moving up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is moving in the positive direction of Y, so this is the answer. You must put the word translating, you must use a vector, a coordinate is not correct, and you need to put these brackets. They can be square brackets, they can be curvy brackets, either works.